Hey everybody, so today I'm going to talk to you about deep conditioning your hair, and this is something that I do quite often, and it's something that I've noticed a huge improvement in just the quality or the texture of my hair. I have way less frizz than I used to, and an area that I really noticed a lot of frizz was in this front part. I used to style my hair wavy, and then I would go back in with a straightener and straighten the front part because I didn't like the way it laid. Whereas now I'm informed and I know how to style the front of my hair. But I just noticed that that part was very frizzy and dry. And so it was evident that I needed to start a deep conditioning treatment. If you've noticed that your hair is frizzy, brittle, breaks easily, I highly recommend doing a deep condition. And if you stick with it for at least 2 months, you will start to notice a difference. So I'm going to show you how I do mine, and let's get into it. All right, so I just got out of the shower and I did a clarifying shampoo today. I used a Kristen S Deep Clean Clarifying Shampoo. It says removing buildup, purifying, volumizing, shine enhancing, mineral detoxing, and super sudsing. You know when you're cleaning a window and you hear that like squeaky noise? That's what you will hear in your hair whenever you're washing it. So it gets out all the product buildup, which is what we need to do with curly and wavy hair if you're putting lots of products, mousse, gels and all that in your hair. So I try to do a clarifying shampoo once every couple weeks. If I feel like it's really building up, then I'll do it every week, but I usually do about once every other week just because you don't want to do it too much, but you also want to be able to get rid of all the buildup. So this is a great one. Also, always after clarifying your hair, you always want to do a deep conditioner because you're pulling out, you're basically not stripping your hair, but you're taking all of the gunk out of your hair, and now your follicles are open and ready to receive a deep condition. So today I'm going to use the Less brand Love Your Curls. The great thing about it is you don't have to have like hot hair. There's some deep conditioners that you need to have warm hair and rinse with warm water. This you can do just whenever. There's no heat required. It's an express deep condition, so you can do it for 5 to 15 minutes, up to 30 minutes. So you could actually throw your hair up in a bun and let it sit for about 30 minutes if you want to, if you want a real good deep condition. I'm gonna start today. So my hair, after I've washed, you can tell it's like super tingly because I haven't used conditioner yet. I've only done the clarifying, and I'm also gonna lose a lot of hair when I do this, which is totally normal. Don't get scared about that. So I'm gonna start with the conditioner, and you wanna apply this to wet hair. I'm using about that much, and I'm just gonna rub it in my hands. My hair's been dripping, so it's wet. It's starting to dry out a little bit, so I may end up spraying it with some water. But I'm gonna go from my roots to my ends. And especially if you only wash your hair like every 4 days or so, which is what I do, you will notice that you have a lot more hair in your hands just because you're not washing it as often. You're not brushing it every day, or at least I don't. And so the wash day, I lose a lot of hair, which is, like I said, totally normal. So now I'm gonna you can either use a wide tooth comb or you can use any kind of brush to brush this and distribute this product through your hair. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Run my fingers through it too. Make sure I'm getting it mixed in real well. Now I'm gonna do the other side. You can divide your hair in sections if you want. You can, I'll show you at the end too how much hair I've lost. It's just shocking how much there is. All right, so got it in my hands. Just gonna run it through. Okay, now I'm gonna take my brush. It's great to start at the ends first. Get the tangles out at the ends and then work your way up. And just carefully work it through. Some more. And I'm gonna focus on the ends because that's where my hair is the driest. So I'm gonna just run it through. I'm gonna brush it again. My hands are slippery. You can just see it. And then usually I can take it, twirl it around my hand and just see, yeah, I've got enough. You can see all that in there. So I'm just gonna work it in. Okay, now that it's in, I'm gonna wait probably 20 minutes before I wash it out. And you don't wanna wash it out in super hot water. Rinse with cool water. So lukewarm to cool is what you want. So I'm just gonna pull my hair up in a ponytail, or actually in a bun. Some people like to take, since this is a no heat deep conditioner, you don't really need to do this, but some people like to take a warm like cap and put it over your hair and just let the heat, or like a warm towel, just to let the heat and open up your hair follicles to allow the conditioner to go deeper, but this isn't necessary with this kind. So it's great for if you're in a hurry. All right, so now I'm just gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes and then I'll come back and show you how to rinse it. All right, it's as easy as that. I'm just gonna brush it through and style as normal. Let me know if you have questions, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will be happy to answer any questions in the comments. Thanks and have a great day.